Hello everyone. Let's start with the BODMAS rule. BODMAS. In this BODMAS, B stands for bracket. There are four types of brackets. First one is a line bracket, then open bracket or small bracket. Next is curly bracket or middle bracket. And last one here square bracket or big bracket. Keep in mind, if brackets are given in your sum, then you have to solve these brackets in this sequence only. That means first if it is given, you have to solve line bracket, next open bracket, then curly bracket, and last we will solve there the square bracket. Now come to the O. O stands for orders. That is powers. Square, cubes, square roots, cube roots, etc. In small classes, O stands for of, that is multiplication also. Now next, D. D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now we will take some sums, then you will get more clear how to solve. Okay? Now let's start with this sum. Okay? Now in this sum, addition, subtraction, division, again addition and then multiplication are given. Okay? Now according to your BODMAS, you have to solve first bracket. But bracket is not given here. Next, O. O means orders. Then squares, cubes. This is also not given. Okay? Next we will come to the D. D stands for division. Here division part is given. Okay. So we are going to solve first this part only. Remaining we are going to write as it is. So let's start 32 plus 6. This side minus sign. Now here we are going to operate 15 to the 30. So your answer is 2. I am going to write here 2. Remaining again as it is. So plus 8 with the sign. Plus 8 into 4. Next, here addition, subtraction, addition and multiplication. So we will start here multiplication first. Now again remaining you are going to write as it is 32 plus 60. I have underlined this because we are going to solve this part only in this step. Okay. So plus 6 minus 2 plus 8 4s are 32. Now here in this part only addition and subtraction are left. Okay. So one more trick I am going to tell you. If only addition or subtraction, see this pair. If addition and subtraction in your sum, that time you can start from left to right. You can solve sum from left to right. Don't see that first minus subtraction is given, so we will solve subtraction or addition. Not like that. You can start from left to right. So here I am going to start left to right, left to right. So 32 plus 6 is 38 here. Remaining as it is minus 2 plus 32. Next I am going to solve this 2. 38 minus 2, it will be 36. Plus 32 again. Now 36 plus 32, it will be 68, which is your answer. Now let's start another one. Now in this sum, you can see here bracket is given. Which type of bracket is given? Line bracket is given. Okay. First only I told you that when brackets are given, you have to solve first line bracket. So here one bracket only given and line one bracket it is. So we will solve first this bracket. Okay. Now first we are going to solve this. Remaining as it is you have to write. So 15 plus I am going to write here as it is. Now 18 4s are 72. So here 72 remaining as it is, divided by 6 minus 7. Okay. Now next, after B bracket, O is given? No, powers are not given. So next, division? Yes, division is given. Okay. Now here, 15 plus 72 divided by 6. You can solve it. So 6 ones are, 1 is left, it becomes 12. 6 twos are 12. So answer you will get 12 minus 7. Again here, just now I told one trick that addition and subtraction, about addition and subtraction, you can solve left to right. So here 15 plus 12, it will be 27 minus 7. So 27 minus 7, 0, 20. Okay. One more trick I am telling about. I told that if addition and subtraction is given, you can solve it from left to right. Similarly with this pair also, division and multiplication. If instead of addition and subtraction, if in this sum only division and multiplication is given, then what you have to do? You have to solve this from left to right. But keep in mind, only if this pair is given or this pair is given, then only you can use this rule, that is left to right. Okay. So this sum is solved and answer you will get 20. Now let's start this sum. Now in this sum, see there, total 3 types of brackets are given. I told you sequence how you have to solve brackets. First you have to solve line bracket, then open bracket you have to solve, then after that curly bracket, and last you are going to solve square bracket. But square bracket is not given in this sum. Only 3 brackets are given. Okay. So what you will solve first? Lined bracket. Remaining you are going to write as it is. Where is line bracket? Here, 3 plus 2. Okay. So you are going to solve this bracket first. Remaining as it is, 3 into 2 plus 6. Then curly bracket, 5 plus 3. Then this small bracket we will start. Here now we are solving this one. 3 plus 2 is 5. Remaining as it is, 5 divided by 5. Small bracket is completed. Then after that, curly bracket. Now next, see here, after this, if you solve this line bracket, you have to solve open bracket or small bracket. Next turn is there, solving there the small bracket. So which is small bracket here? This. So you are going to solve this one. Remaining again as it is. So 3 into 2 plus 6 here, curly bracket, 5 plus 3 in the bracket, 5 divided by 5. See that we are going to solve this bracket now. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. So here I am going to write 1. But see here, 3 after that bracket off. That means here what is off? Off means what? Multiplication. So we are going to keep here multiplication sign. Okay. So this one bracket we have solved. Now this curly bracket will complete. Now next which bracket you are going to solve? This curly bracket you are going to solve. So here 3 into 2 plus 6, come to the curly bracket. Now here also see that we are using BODMAS rule. Before solving this addition, here we are going to solve multiplication first. So 3 into 1 will be 3. You can solve this bracket at a time or you can solve in 2 steps. So 5 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 5 plus 3 is here 8. again 6 into this bracket. That means 6 into 8. Okay. Now here multiplication. Here is also multiplication. So we are going to solve these two at a time. Okay. Now 3 into 2. It will be 6. Middle sign plus. Don't forget this sign. 6 8s are 48. Now solve this. 6 plus 48. It will be 54. This is your answer. Now come to the next sum. I have taken this sum, fraction 1 sum. Okay. Now here see that multiplication, division, addition. These operations are given. Okay. So according to BODMAS, you are going to solve first division. That means we are going to solve this term first. Okay. Now you cannot, as it is fraction, you cannot solve it directly. So what you have to do? You have to turn this sign into the multiplication sign. If you are turning this multiplier division sign into the multiplication sign, you have to take here reciprocal of next number. Okay. So see here what I will do. 6 by 12 into first term I am going to write, we are operating these two. Okay. First term out of that I am going to write as it is 8 by 16. As I am turning this division sign into the multiplication sign, I am taking reciprocal of this, that is 24 by 8. Okay. Again remaining as it is plus 5 by 4. Now you can see here is also multiplication, here is also multiplication. This, that means all these three terms you can solve at a time. So cut whatever you can cut. So how? 8 ones are 8 ones are. Okay. Now 12 ones are 12 twos are. Got it? Now 2 ones are 2 eights are 16. Now here 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. Now let's see what is left here in numerator. 3 into 1 into 1, that is 3. In denominator what is left? 1 into 4 into 1, that means 4. Okay. Plus 5 by 4. Left one. 5 by 4. Now here as denominator is equal, what you can take? Common denominator as a 4. And add numerator, that is 3 plus 5. It becomes 8 by 4. Now reduce it. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Your answer will be 2 by 1 means 2. I hope you all will understand from this example how to solve BODMAS rule. Thank you for watching.